you or somebody you know is really struggling to get off sugar, and you are the person that I want to talk to right now. We put together a 7-day Stop Sugar Challenge. This is 7 days that you'll get the support of me and my team in helping you to end an unhealthy relationship to sugar. You know you need it. And you're not just doing it for you. You're doing it for the people who love you and who care about you and count on you.
Here's what the team had to say about their experience.
I can't say enough about how awesome my experience was.
I feel great.
I've had so much energy.
It was a lot easier than I had anticipated.
I honestly, I want to go longer.
What's so cool is I want to continue now.
And, see if maybe I can make it a way of life.
So I really encourage you to give it a shot. You have nothing to lose and a very, very healthy lifestyle to gain.
If you sign up by October 8th, you'll also be entered into a drawing to win a $100 Loose Leaf gift card. Get on the list and let's do this.